Hey, what's up, you guys? I just wanted to make this little video to help you with the second version of our rounding warm-up. All right, so last levels you determined you knew which digit was in each place value. So now we're going to try to help you understand which number you're going to use to tell you to round up or down. Okay, it's a little bit more complicated than it sounds, so bear with me for a second. It says which digit will determine if you round up or down if you're rounding to the nearest thousand. All right, so the thousands place is here. Okay, so the number that you're going to look at to determine whether you round up or down would be one place value to the right, and the hundreds place at the 2. So you just type the answer 2. Okay, so same instructions. Which digit will determine if you round up or down if you're rounding to the nearest thousands. Okay, so again, 1,000 spots here. Always look one place to the right to tell you to round up or down. So you're going to look at the 6. So you're just going to type the 6. Okay, so same instructions, except now you're going to try to figure out which number to look at if you're rounding to the nearest 10,000. Okay, so remember it goes ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So this is the spot you're going to round to, and you're going to use 1 to the right in the thousands place in the 4. So you just type the number 4, because that's the number you're going to use to tell you to round up or down. Okay, so same thing. We're still just looking for the digit that's going to tell you to round up or down if you're rounding to the nearest 10,000s. So it goes ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So we're going to round to this spot. So then we're going to look one back at the thousands to tell us whether we're going to round up or down. So you just type the number 8. Okay, the third example has to do with the same thing, but now you're just going to tell us what number you're going to use to tell whether you're rounding up or down if you're rounding to the nearest 100,000. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, so look one back to the right in the 10,000 spot. The digit you're going to use is the 7 to determine if you go up or down. 5 and above, give it a shove. 4 and below, let it go. Okay, same thing. I'm trying to round to the nearest 100,000, which is here. So I'm going to look back at this guy to tell me to round up or down. You will just type a 2. All right, I made a quick little practice set that we can look at. Okay, so it's the same thing you're going to see on all 3 levels that are warm-up levels. The instructions say if you're rounding to the nearest 1,000, which digit below will you look at to tell whether you round up or down? Okay, so round to the nearest 1,000. Goes ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000. So the one that you're going to look at would be this 4, 1 to the right of the thousands place. So you just type 4. Okay, we're going to round to the nearest 1,000. We're going to use the digit, so 1, 10, 100, 1,000. We're going to use the digit 1 to the right here, this 8, to determine whether we round up or down. Okay, now we're going to round to the nearest 10,000, and you just need to type the digit that's going to tell you to round up or down. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, so that means this 3, 1 to the right of it, would tell you to round up or down. Okay, same thing. We're going to round to the nearest 10,000. Just got to identify the digit that's going to help us know whether to round up or down. So my 10,000 spot would be 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, which would make this 3 the one that we're going to use to round up or down. Okay, it's the exact same thing on this, but now we're going to do to the nearest 100,000. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 100,000s is here, so we're going to look one back to the right at the 2, and that'll tell us whether to round up or down. All right, last one is the exact same thing. We're rounding to the nearest 100,000. We just got to figure out which one is going to help us round correctly. So it goes ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s is here. So that means this 2 is going to help us round correctly. All right, you guys, hope this helped. Have a great day. Good luck on the level.